welcome to our channel All-in-One Life. Today I'm gonna show you one awesome trick which is very useful for Fiitjee users especially, and you can use this trick and this is not illegal by the way, and this is legal. So what you need is that eCM tab you're having, and this you always have a smartphone. So the thing is, our Fiitjee tab has added, as you can see, this app, Classroom app, Google Classroom app. Our Fiitjee tab is being added. So now what happens, so many PDFs are being sent on our WhatsApp groups, but if we read and write from our mobile, our eyes are being strained a very lot. So why not use our eCM tab purpose, it means legally and full use? So what to do is, just you have to go to the Google Classroom on your Classroom app, and create a class, like here can you see, and create a class. And this I have read and understood, you just agree it, and just you fill up like this, blah blah blah, and I am just typing in this like that only. Okay, now then we just create the room. It will take hardly 10 to 15 seconds for creating a class. Actually, this since your this one. So now if you want to upload a file, like let's see, file, here if I see some see, here it will come, see, new PDF. Like if I create a PDF, I use or leave that. If I upload a file only, let's see a file, yes, documents, yes. Now see, I have a file name motion MCQ, like see this one. We just go on uploading this. So now like that, it's motion, then upload from the top right button. See, Ayush Sharma, you can use any Gmail account, but you use a single Gmail account, and see, you will open that it is okay. So this is the work. This way you can upload as many files sent by Fiitjee. Your means your teachers, any PDF sent, and then let's move to our eCM Fiitjee tab. So we meet you there. Yes, so as you can see, this is our eCM tab. You all have it above class 9. So see, our eCM tab is being added with the Classroom, the same applications on our smartphone. So you need to go to smartphone, and you need to add your account. I have already added, so not needed. And as we see, I created this account. As you all remember, I created this account. So we go and it loads. See, I have added a motion PDF, and this we open, and now here, just a second, was this a blank page we uploaded? Really? Actually, this was a blank page I uploaded. So no, that's not the fact. I can show you one more. See, I have just created all my a folder, all my PDF. So I have created is matter and PDF theory. So now from here we can access the PDF. We can access the whole PDF actually. So this you can apply on your eCM tab too. And you might think this is illegal, but this is not illegal. It is legal only because we are fully using the eCM tab fully functional. So we can do like this. If you like this video, please share and subscribe to most of your Fiitjee students. This is for especially Fiitjee students. Thank you for watching.